Kelly Matthews. I'm the Senior Health, Safety and Quality Environmental Advisor here at Poole for UNEXT Traffic. I've worked in manufacturing for 20 years across different sectors with various levels of risk. And my role is primarily making sure that the people who work here at UNEXT Traffic are kept safe, and I support our teams across various departments. We make sure that we're continually improving our systems, and to do this I carry out internal audits and Gembas with various members of our team within manufacturing and across the Poole site. It's absolutely fantastic to be part of the top 100 and to be recognised for my efforts here at UNEXT. I think being in a supportive role to the business is really special, as the work I do is not always visible to those around me. Safety is one of those things that should be the first thought on everybody's mind when they're doing any task, but often it's not in all businesses, but that isn't the case here at UNEXT. We have an excellent culture around safety and we strive to always do more. I'm really lucky to have the likes of Simon Martin and Spencer Jones with their continued support for all the work that I do within HSQE. For me, it's seeing the end result of the many products that we manufacture here at UNEXT Traffic. I'm inspired every day by the people that I work with here, and part of my role is to bring these people together from various teams who we can then resolve things together. This is the first place I've worked where we've introduced technologies such as cobots and automotive systems, which I haven't seen before, but I can definitely see the benefits here. They not only optimise how we work, but also make sure that we're providing a safer working environment for our colleagues. So only recently we've launched UNEXT Built. We opened our manufacturing services to other industries, offering PCB assembly, design, repair and more. So it's a really exciting time for us at UNEXT to be opening our doors to external customers. We need to ensure that we stay competitive, and this has been managed by our manufacturing and sales teams who ensure that we're committed to manufacturing products to the highest quality. Recruiting and shortages of certain skill sets is a challenge. We're extremely lucky though as a company to offer a range of apprenticeships, anything from level 2 to level 6. We have a fantastic graduate programme as well as opportunities to come here and work for UNEXT as work experience. We're really lucky to have an on-site training school here, and I personally lean on them heavily to ensure that we're providing the best health and safety training for our employees.